on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in. Friends have accused Chetan and have also revealed that he had distanced himself from members of his community and stopped meeting them for nearly 2 to 3 months. Shweta continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shweta, give us the details. We are understanding that Chetan had disconnected himself socially from his community. What do we know about that?
I'm sorry, I request you to repeat your question, please.
So now we have some information as far as Chetan is concerned, where we are understanding that Chetan had disconnected socially from his friend circle, from his community at large, roughly 2 to 3 months ago. What information do we have on that front?
Right, okay. So as we speak about Chetan Chaudhary, remember he had his own plans, his own, how is he going to see his future in a few years. So clearly these kind of information he only used to share with Sia Goel, and he had already shrinked his friend circle. This is what we are given to understand at this point of given time. In Jodhpur, he had 2 to 3 friends. Similarly, in Market Yard Place in Pune, also he had only few friends. One person with whom he was very constantly in touch with was Sahil Goel, and with Sahil Goel there was Sia Goel, and they used to often meet. And this is how it has been said that they were seeing each other, and they were allegedly into relationship, and for their sake, for their relationship, they thought of eliminating Ketan from their way, but they also wanted the support of finance from Ketan's end. So clearly we see that how they were all focusing on their future with the help of Ketan's money. How are they going to lead their future? Who is going to provide them financial security, and how Sia allegedly is going to mint money from Ketan Agarwal. But clearly, once the large amount of money was extracted, the duo must have thought that, okay, this is the time where one can eliminate Ketan, and so that things can be easier for both of them.
Shweta, stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in. According to reports, Chetan